Hello and welcome to DIGURA's Tips and Tricks. My name is Sarah and today I'll be talking about the 5 things you need to remember about consumption in Denmark. The first thing being is that the landlord is not allowed to make money on your consumption. You should only pay what your actual consumption is. The second thing is that your landlord needs to send you an annual consumption statement regarding the individual utilities and the tenancy. If not, you can be entitled to get your money refunded. The third thing is that if your tenancy does not have individual meters to measure water or electricity, then your landlord is not allowed to charge you for a conso payment. The fourth thing is that there are some formal requirements regarding the consumption statement that the landlord needs to obey. It is, for example, that your landlord needs to send you the statement no later than 4 months after the financial year has ended, and it should also state the total share of expenses that the tenant has. And lastly, it should also state that you have the right to object the statement. And that leads me to my last point, and that is that if you do not agree with the consumption statement, you need to object to the statement no later than 6 weeks within you have received the statement. If you object to the statement, then your landlord needs to bring the case to the Rent Housing Committee or Rent Assessment Committee. If your landlord does not bring it to the committee, he actually loses his right to acquire payment after the statement. And yeah, if you want to know more about consumption or any other topic, you can visit our website. And that was everything for today. See you next time.